Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are already my student, I'm so happy to continue working with you guys. We'll continue working together this term. And if you were not my student before, if you're new here, then welcome. My name is Elizabeth, but you can call me Teacher Ellie, and I'm excited to meet you guys. First of all, I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're safe at your home. I hope that you're taking care of yourself and, washing your hands, doing all these things. These are the worst weeks, so please take care of yourselves. And well, we'll start this video for week number 1, and we'll go over a quick presentation that I have right here. First of all, we'll continue working with the same book as the last term. It's Personal Best A2. This time we'll go over the second half of the book, so units 7 to 12. And here's a reminder to download the app. It's a very good app you can have in your phone, and it will help you practice, vocabulary, grammar, and I think pronunciation as well. And it's the same topics from the book, so that's nice. Here's my name and here's my email. If you have any question, if you need to contact me, then you can do it here. Before we go into the first topic, it's important to remind you the evaluation criteria. This is specifically for the first partial, okay? So, we're working online. We don't know if this will be only one partial or two, but anyways, the reading report will still be 20%. We will choose the book on our video conference. And then we have quizzes 20%, oral project 20%, written exam 30%, and online participation 10%. This is when you go into the video conference, but you're not only there, you're asking questions or answering questions, you're participating. And this makes up the 100% of the first partial. We also need to talk about the weekly schedule. Now that we're working online, this is how we'll do it. Every Monday you will have your homework. I'll post it in the Google Classroom, the homework for all your week, so that you can plan when you will do it, and try not to stress a lot about this. Try to plan your times. Try to designate a space for online working. That's very important. You're not very efficient if you're working from your bed. If you're laying down watching TV and then with your computer, it's not a very good idea. It's better if you designate a space where you will only work or study. It can be anywhere. It can be in your room, but an area where you specifically go and study. And this way you will not get distracted as easily. It's just a tip I have for you. Then I'll see you again on Wednesday for the video conference, where you can ask me any questions you have, or you can ask me, I don't know, if you have any doubt. We'll have some discussions here. On Thursday I will be checking the homework for the week. I might give you some feedback or corrections, whatever. And Fridays are for the quiz, as you know. So this is how we'll do it. And now we can start with our first topic. So we'll talk about countable and uncountable nouns. You may already know this, but it's always good to have some review. So a countable noun is a noun that we can count. Easy peasy. We have an example here. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars. You can count it. So cars are countable. We have a nice Tesla over here. We also can count eggs. 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs. And we have books. We can also count them. 1 book, 2 books, 3 books. So as you can tell, countable nouns have a singular form and also a plural form, right? Car, singular, plural, cars. And we use a or an with the singular form. So here we have a banana. A is the same as 1. A or an is the same as 1. And the only difference is a for consonant, as here, and an for vowel sound. And here we have bananas. We don't need a or an because we have a plural. We have 3 bananas over here. Now let's go over uncountable nouns, nouns that we cannot count. So the example here is money. We cannot say 1 money, 2 monies, 3 monies, right? Now don't get confused. We can't say 1 bill, 2 bills, 1 coin, 2 coins, cents, but no money. We cannot say monies in plural. This is not a word. This is not correct. Okay? So same with the milk. I don't know if you can see it here. And with sugar. So there's no such thing as 1 sugar and 2 sugars. Nope. So as you see, there's only singular. There's no sugars, there's no monies, so no plural form. And we cannot use a or an, okay? Why? Because as I told you, a or an means 1 and uncountable. We cannot count them. So the example here is I don't like cheese. It's incorrect if we say I don't like a cheese. And you can see it's uncountable. Now, some and any. How do we use these words? Well, some, we use it in positive sentences with uncountable nouns and plural countable nouns. Okay? We use some when we don't say exactly how much or how many. We're not being specific. So here we have the example. There are some apples in the bowl. So I don't know how many. I'm not saying exactly how many, maybe 5, maybe 10, but I'm not saying it. There's just some apples. And here, with an uncountable noun, with an uncountable, there's some juice in the fridge. I don't know how much. Again, it may be 1 liter or more. I don't know. But I'm not saying exactly how much. Okay? So, remember, plural countable, apples, and uncountable, juice. And with positive sentences. So the verb here are, this is positive, there is, this is positive as well. So any, we use it in negative sentences and in questions with the same uncountable nouns and plural countable nouns. Okay? So some for positive, any for negative and questions. And we have the examples here. We don't have any oranges. This is plural countable. And here there isn't any milk. This is uncountable. So here the verb is negative, don't. And here isn't. This is negative as well. But there's an exception. We sometimes use some in questions when we are offering something. So here I have the examples. Would you like some carrots? Do you want some soup? I'm offering you something. So this type of question is correct. Even though it's a question, we're using some and not any because I'm offering something. Okay? Do you want some water? So here's a chart finally where you can see all the information in one picture. A or an for countable singular only. A car. It's impossible to say a cars, right? Or a milks or a milk. Nope. Some cars and some milk. We cannot say some car. And we cannot say any car. So we say any cars, any milk. Okay? So anyways, I hope this explanation was clear, but if you have any question, feel free to contact me, send me an email, or write in Google Classroom. You can write a comment there. So just any doubt that you have. It is a simple topic, but what's important here, I think, it's to know how to distinguish between the countable and the uncountable nouns. This is an important part, and you get used to it. If you practice, then it will help you a lot to know which ones are countable, which ones cannot be in plural, and all of this. So please check the exercises that you will have for homework this week, and yeah, that will be it for today. So I'll see you in the next video or in the next video conference. So have a nice day. Goodbye.